Hey everyone! In this new video, I'm going to show you how to install and properly configure Cemu on your Linux system. From the initial setup all the way to grabbing the ROM, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. To start off, open GNOME software and install Cemu. The app is also available in other software centers, depending on your distribution: Ubuntu Software Center, KDE Plasma's Discover, etc. Next, download your game ROM. On my end, I'm downloading the ROM for Ninja Gaiden 3, Razor's Edge. Once you have the file, we can move on to the next step. Keys.txt. On a fresh Cemu installation, the default built-in key doesn't always work right out of the box. The best approach is to download an updated Cemu keys file, keys.txt. This will allow you to launch any ROM, regardless of its format. It's a tiny file that downloads instantly. Once the installation is complete and your files are ready, open Cemu. During the initial setup, the program will prompt you for the folder path where your video games are stored. Select your dedicated game folder, then click Next. Controller configuration. To play, connect your controller, a PlayStation controller for instance, via Bluetooth. If it's not paired yet, hold down the Share/Options and PS buttons to enter pairing mode. In Cemu, create a new input profile, name it, and map your buttons. The software will automatically match the layout to Nintendo controllers. Placing the keys file and refreshing. Grab the keys file you downloaded, extract it, and replace the old keys file inside Cemu's configuration directory. Grant administrative/execution permissions if necessary, then close and reopen Cemu, or refresh the interface to display your games. One last crucial step: graphics settings. If you don't have a dedicated graphics card, Radeon or NVIDIA, and are running on a more limited Intel integrated GPU, switch the renderer to OpenGL or Vulkan, depending on your setup. You can also use the built-in Graphic Packs Manager to automatically download optimized profiles for the game. Since I'm running on a 4-core CPU without a dedicated GPU, I turn down the resolution to keep things smooth. If you have a more powerful machine, feel free to push the graphics quality to the max. Once your settings are saved, restart Cemu and launch your game. Congratulations to everyone who made it this far in the tutorial. As for me, I'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care.